Okay, so 1 year akong di nag-haul and finally i-reveal ko na lahat ng ina-ask nyo sa comment section, sa DM ko, kung ano yung mga products na ginagamit ko. Ayoko nang pahabain lahat ng products na lagay sa description box so you can get them as well if you want to. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with my skincare. This is part 1 of the skincare because this is what I called skincare pero inside. So these are my supplements. Ang story nito is one time nag-scroll ako sa TikTok. Grabe, diba? TikTok yung story. But yeah, then I saw this. It's called the Asian Aging Backward Supplement. So ito yung combo na tinatake nila. So you know, reverse the aging process. And sabi nila, it's better to start early. Anyway, do your research kung paano nyo itatake itong mga supplements na to. In my case, lahat itong tinatake ko after breakfast. First, I have probiotics. Of course, vitamin C. So, mga 1 month ko na silang tinatake and napansin ko talaga na iba yung glow. Well, sana din nyo ako i-bash kasi ano mo yun, yung inaabangan ko is yung magiging effect niya sa appearance ko. Well, in fact, pang overall health naman to. But if you want that glow, this is just as important do sa mga nilalagay namin sa face natin. I also have vitamin D and K. Meron din ako nitong fish oil. Grabe, sobrang daming benefits ng fish oil. Sa mga nag-take ng fish oil, mag-comment kayo dyan. Okay, sometimes may event ako, tapos need ko talaga matulog na maaga. So, ito yung iniinom ko. This is the ZzzQuil. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, ito yung melatonin na natry ko na hindi masakit sa ulo pagising. Para ka lang natulog. Though much matagal yung effect niya, like 30 minutes after pa, sometimes even an hour. But yeah, works well with me. Next supplement is zinc. Super nice as well. And then of course, we're talking about aging backward. Of course, meron collagen. This is from Shiseido. Medj pricey siya. But ang gaganda ng review. And I'm not sure, baka nga ito yung reason ko ba't ako nag-glow lately. Or silang lahat. Basta yan yung mga ininom ko. Okay, now for the part 2 ng ating skincare. Start off with my cleanser. I have this one. BYS Gentle Jelly Cleanser. I super love this one because it's really affordable. This is like 650 plus pesos. I know, hindi siya like mura-mura. Pero for a gentle cleanser, that works for me. Kasi I have contact dermatitis, so very sensitive yung face ko. Sobrang okay nito. Kasi before yung cleanser ko is like 1/4 isa. Diba, less than half yung presyo niya. And I've been using this for 2 years now. So if you have sensitive skin, I highly recommend this one. Hindi siya drying. Hindi mag-irritate yung skin mo. And of course, hindi ka mag-break. For my cleansing balm naman, so, syempre nag-wear talaga ako ng makeup for work. So dalawa lang yung pinaka-gusto ko. First is the Banila ko Clean at Zero. This is the purifying version. This is the only version that I like. Medyo hindi ko gusto yung pink and yung other color na try ko na sila. Kasi dito lang ako walang sakit sa mata. Like kunyari nagtatanggal ako ng makeup tapos napunta sa eyes ko. Kahit mapunta to inside sa mata ko. Which hindi naman dapat pero minsan accidentally, diba? Hindi nag-hapdi yung eyes ko. Which I really love. So it means this is really gentle. So yeah, get this one, yung purifying. And then this one naman nabili ko from Sephora. Melt Me Softly Cleansing Balm from Urban Jungle. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan kasi same sila nito. Hindi na na-irritate yung mata ko. And this smells like butter. Actually, tatry ko lang talaga dapat siya. Kasi kailangan ko ng certain amount to get the free shipping sa Sephora. Pag hindi ko siya na-reach, ang mahal ng shipping. So, inad ko to kasi walang ang Banila ko sa Sephora. Ang daming good reviews. And then, pag try ko, ang ganda nga niya. So, if you're looking for a cleansing balm that does the job and is gentle, I recommend these two. Okay, for my moisturizer naman, I have this Dr. Jart Cica Repair Intensive Soothing Repair Gel Cream. It looks like this, color green siya. I super love this one kasi namo-moisturize niya talaga yung face ko. And what sets this apart sa ibang moisturizer na natry ko, bukod sa expensive silang lahat, 1,000 plus pesos to 1,400 ata. Well, nakatry na ako ng something that works and hindi ganun kamahal. Pero binoy ko siya, which is yung Skintific na blue. Kasi I love that one. It's affordable and it works, pero yeah, ayun na nga, nagka-something. But yeah, going back, what sets this apart is nakaka-help siya sa redness ng face ko. Usually kasi may redness talaga ako around the nose, even sa mismong nose area. Dito, and then sa cheek. And then nung nag-start akong gamitin to, napansin ko, nag-reduce siya, which is a really good bit. Dami rin itong good review. If you're looking for a moisturizer na nag-eliminate ng redness sa face, you know what to get. Okay, sa lahat ng TikTok video ko, ito yung lagi yung ina-ask. Like, bakit ganun yung bibig niya? Bakit parang mamantika? Blah, blah, blah. It's because I use lip mask kapag matutulog ako and pag nag-film ako since kakagising ko nga lang. Minsan di ko na siya na-wipe off. And look at my lips. Meron siyang parang pinkish tint. I don't know if it's from this product, pero parang mas na-enhance yung pagka-pink ng lips ko. And grabe, sobrang lambot ng lips ko. Sobrang healthy niya. It's thanks to this one. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is in berry. Diba? Paubos na. Ako na lang bumili. Yung ginagamit kong skincare, include ko na rin yung toothpaste na ginagamit ko. This one yung Optic White Purple. Kasi yung ceramics braces ko, ang bilis niya mag-yellow kapag nag-tea or coffee lang ako. Even spaghetti, nag-yellow na siya. So, this one helps. Of course, just kayo regularly. Okay, now time for my makeup recommendations. Tumalon pa yung isa. Let's start off with my contact lenses. Sobrang dami talaga nagtatanong. So, ito na. Actually, even I'm wearing contact lenses. And hindi halata, diba? This is giving your eyes but better. It's parang may glow lang siya. So, ito siya. From Olin. Color brown siya. And it looks like this. Super love this. Wala masyadong nagtatanong nito. Sa photoshoot to usually tinatanong sa akin kasi parang wala. Pero like may glow yung mata ko. Yung laging tinatanong talaga sa akin is this one, which is yung color gray. Oh my gosh, mag-insert ako ng mga pictures dito. I mean, gets ko kayo kung ba't yung tinatanong. It looks really nice. And ito, nag-stock up na ako kasi pang 1 month lang siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Yan, it's color gray. Hindi kasi nakalagay dito kung ano yung name niya. So, sa link, pag-click niyo, yun naman yung lalabas. So, ayan, na-reveal ko na. Medyo ginagative ko pa talaga siya. Hindi ko talaga sinasabi, pero sabihin na natin, once air lang naman tayo mag-haul. Anyways, saan tayo mag-start? Let's start with sunscreen. Always wear sunscreen, you guys. As in, malaking effect siya sa skin nyo. And you will see the difference agad. 1 week lang ng pagsa-sunscreen. Nakikita and mafe-feel nyo. Okay, best sunscreen for oily skin na walang white cast, hindi mag-oil build-up, as well as hindi magkikiki yung makeup. So, ito yung top 2 ko. Ultralight Invisible Sunscreen. This is from CosRX. Wala kayo bang masabi? Ultralight Invisible Sunscreen. That's it. Super ganda. And then, of course, my OG favorite, BLK Cosmetics Airy Sunscreen. I don't know if you guys still love this or like nakalimutan nyo na lang siya i-repurchase because no one's posting about this. But yeah, super ganda. Remains at the top. Yung pang third ko is Bello. Super nice as well. Yung regular nila na sunscreen. Okay, now sa primer. Ito na talaga yung favorite primer ko. Ang dami kong friends na nabudol na bumili nito because grabe ko siya ibudol. There's the NYX Plump Right Back. Grabe yung grip niya sa makeup. And as an oily skin, nag-work siya sa skin ko. Nag-try yung friend ko with dry skin na to. And grabe, nag-work dun sa kanya. So I feel like this is for all skin type. I don't know, I can only speak for the oily skin. Pero yung friend ko nga na dry skin, nag-work dun sa kanya. Gano'n ko ka-love tong primer na to. Ito yung mga empty. Ito pa yung ibang empty. And ilang months lang to. Actually, may parating pa akong order. Kasi as you can see, paubos na siya. Diba? So yeah, wala lang ibang kailangan sabihin. Best primer ever. Actually, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga ayaw kong primer. Note, high-end primers pa to. I don't like this one from Clos de Peau. I don't know, nagpapatchy yung makeup ko dito. Hourglass Veil Primer. Alam ko marami may gusto na to, pero di siya nag-work sa akin. Ang puti ng mukha ko. And nagpapatchy rin yung makeup ko dito. Ito, ang ganda sana from Laura Mercier. But, hindi ko gusto yung fragrance niya. Okay, now let's talk about foundation naman. Okay, best for affordable. Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of Estee Lauder. This foundation. It's so good. Works with my oily skin. Na-wear test ko to. Nagsistay talaga siya. Though medyo tricky siya gamitin in terms of the amount. Kasi kapag napasobra ka, may tendency siyang mag-cake. So yeah, aralin nyo mabuti kung gaano lang kadami yung mag-work sa face. No? But yeah, overall, super ganda nito. Oh my gosh. Still, the best is yung Skintific Cushion Foundation. Sinasabi ko to kasi wala pa ako nakikita na kasing ganda or mas maganda. So please let me know kung meron kayong alternative dito. Yeah, this is super nice. Lightweight sa face. Long wear. Super gaan. Parang wala kang suot na foundation. And the coverage, oh my gosh, it's giving filter. Pwede hindi ka na mag-concealer kasi yung dark circles mo, cover na niya agad. So, let me know your alternative, but still one of the best. Okay, concealer. To be honest, wala pang nag-work sa akin na local or affordable concealer. Promise, nag-try ako. Ayoko na lang sila ipakita, but nag-try ako. Hindi lang local, guys. Ang dami kong try na high-end. Medyo sensitive kasi yung under eye ko, like, nagka-crack siya, nagki-crease siya. Basta sobrang arte niya. And by the way, as a moreno, lagi ako nagagamit na tong peach corrector ng ELF. Kasi if hindi, mag-grayish siya habang tumatagal, pag-gray siya ng pag-gray. So, for morenos and morenas out there, yeah, mag-peach corrector kayo. And I recommend this one. Okay, so ito yung mga nag-work sa akin. Dior Backstage Concealer. As in this Dior Concealer. I also have this Dior Concealer. Pero for some reason, mas better yung Dior Backstage for me. This just gives more natural look than this one. This one is for my everyday use. And kapag naman event or kailangan full pack, oh my gosh, Hourglass Concealer. Grabe, parang dinidelete niya yung under eye ko. Kahit yung makeup artist ko, love na love to. I'm in the shade Beach. Medyo mahirap siya sa shade. Like, hindi ko rin in-expect na ganito ka-light yung para sa akin. So, I recommend na pumunta talaga kayo sa store. Or sa Sephora, meron siyang i-convert yung shade niyo from other brand para malaman niyo yung shade niyo dito. I suggest for you guys to do it kasi medyo nahirapan ako sa shade. I don't know if it's still here, pero nakailang order ako ng minis para lang mahanap yung perfect shade for me. Sa Dior Backstage, I'm in the shade 3W. Dito naman is 3C. This is face out na, I believe. So, alternative is, no, hindi NARS concealer. Actually, hate this. Nagka-crack siya sa akin. This one, yung Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer. I'm in the shade 3W1. Super similar na lang. Okay, for contour naman, this one, everybody loves this. Face sculpt ng Strokes. So, for daily use, I use the shade Cinnamon. Sobrang ganda nito. Sobrang blendable niya. And ang ganda ng mga shade. Works well with my moreno skin tone. And then kapag naman gabets, gusto kong like sculpted talaga, I use the shade Espresso. You can see it's darker. Okay, sa high-end naman, my all-time favorite is the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. I'm in the shade Swedish, number 10. So it looks like this. Glides like butter, and for some reason, grabe, naglalast siya ng matagal sa akin. Like 1 year na hindi ko pa rin siya naubos. So, super sulit. Note, halos ginagamit ko siya almost every day. Okay, let's talk about blushes. Dito muna tayo sa liquid and cream blush. I love this one from Rare Beauty. I'm in the shade Happy. And guys, look at that. Mukha siyang super pink. Pero it gives that kinikilig sa morena skin tone. Ganda nito. And then, oh my gosh, from 5 Beauty, yung shade is Sunkissed. Wala lang ako kailangan sabihin. It's giving Sunkissed pag nalagay ko siya sa akin. Kasi para lang akong naarawan. Ganda super. Very natural. For powder blush naman, this one from Chanel. Ito yung shade na hindi ko kasi alam kung paano basahin. So, 2-in-1 na siya. May blush and may highlighter. And ito yung shade na sobrang perfect skin tone ko. Like, a natural ng blush and a natural din ng highlighter. As you can see, gold yung highlighter niya. And then, of course, the Dior Rosewood. This is super nice. Super buildable. Hindi ka magugulat na para ka ng Pikachu. Like, makokontrol mo talaga siya. Love this blush so much. Okay, for bronzer, super love this one from YSL. This is their all-hour hyper bronzer. As you can see, gamit na gamit ko siya. Binili ko to late this year lang. Pero instantly naging favorite ko siya. Kasi it doesn't give that muddy look. Kasi kapag lalagay mo siya dito, kahit super dense na yung brush, hindi siya magiging super intense. Mabablend out mo talaga siya. Hindi siya magiging super hard. So yeah, highly recommended. Okay, setting powder tayo. For under eye, oh my gosh, for all the morenos and morenas out there. Ito na yun. Laura Mercier number 2. This is from under eye. And oh my gosh, no more flashback. And kunyari, medj, kahit super bit lighter lang yung concealer nyo, i-even out niya para hindi siya lulutang. Like, this is my lifesaver. Best under eye setting powder for me. Again, ito yung may shade. This is not translucent. This is in the shade number 2. Okay, best setting powder for me is this one from Dior. For the whole face, I use the shade medium. Downside lang nito is meron siyang konting fragrance. But overall, super ganda ng effect. Yeah. Hindi siya too matte. Like, sobrang sakto lang. Meron siyang coverage, so parang ka naka-filter, ganun. And then from under eye, for under eye, kapag gabi, tas you want to brighten it, you can also use this one. This is in the shade lavender. Like, patong mo lang with the number 2. And voila, para ka merong 48 hours of sleep. For highlighter, best pa rin for me is yung from Flower Nose. This is in the shade L03. Ito yung proof na hindi lang siya puro ganda. Functional din and very nice talaga. Okay, for my brow. So, for my brow gel, I super love this one from Absidy kasi meron siyang ganito. Ayan, pwede mo talaga siyang laminate ng sobra. Very similar sila nung sa Lovely Cosmetics. I used to love that one, pero ito nga kasi meron siyang tool na ganito, so mas ginagamit ko to. So ito yung pang laminate ko, and then yung pang feel ko naman, din ako nagpe-pencil or what. I prefer this one, mas natural looking siya. This is from Strokes. Ayan siya. This is the Microblade Pen Perfector. So, ganyan siya. Tapos, idodrawing mo lang yung strokes ng kilay mo. Super ganda. This is in the shade Graphite. Okay, for my lips naman. Huwag na tayo lumayo, guys. Ito talaga yung the best. Vaseline Lip Therapy. Ang dami kong tinry, pero ito talaga, like, try nakakapag-provide ng moisture talaga sa lips ko, or else pag iba mag-dry out siya. Well, maganda rin yung sa Dazzle Me. And then for high-end naman, itong YSL Love Shine. Yun siya. But hindi ko lang gusto is, shiny nga talaga siya. So, minsan kinikiss ko na lang dito. Pero I love the shade. I love the moisturization. But yan naman moisturization talaga yung lips ko. So, yan yung favorite ko to. Okay, so ano pang kulang ko? Wait, ano pang di ko sa inyo napakita? No-overwhelm ako, guys. But yeah, setting spray. Yung pang melt ko is itong Max Fix Plus. Ayan, so ito muna. And then yung final coating ko para like matte talaga yung face ko. Super love this for oily skin. This Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray, as in. Grabe, maglalast talaga. I think that's it for makeup. Ngayon, hair care tayo real quick. Tapos end ko na yung video kasi parang haba na niya sobra. Okay, for my hair care. Oh my gosh, first time ko itong i-reveal tong brand na to. Pero super ganda, guys. Okay, so it's a Korean brand. It's called Dashu. And guys, meron din siya yung pang hindi curly. Yung gamit ko dati yung wax. And that one is super nice and super ganda. Hindi ko lang siya makita right now. But yeah, super ganda. And then ngayon nagpa-perm ako, diba? So ito yung ginagamit ko. Ito kapag gusto ko ng wet look. Ito naman kapag hindi. Super ganda, super bango. And ang ganda ng hold. And hindi magmumukhang wig yung hair nyo. Know what I mean? Yung sobrang tigas or what. Basta super love this. Pag na-try nyo to, magigets nyo ako. Ito lang naman yung ginagamit ko. And then for my hairspray is yung Got2b. Itong glued. Grabe to. As in, pag in-spray mo to, wala. Ganyan na siya the whole day. Though medyo matigas and medyo dinadandruff ako dito. So, hindi ko siya ginagamit always pag may special events lang. Dapat magbo-body care pa ako pero ang haba na ng video. So yeah, I'll end the video right here. Comment if meron pa kayong other requests and kung may nakalimutan ako i-reco. I'm so sorry na overwhelmed ako sa dami ng product. But yeah, everything nililink ko sa description box so you can get it. Magsasale ngayon 12/12. Also ngayong payday sale. So yeah, I don't know if magiging active ulit ako sa YouTube. Hindi ko kayang mangako kasi baka di na naman matuloy. But yeah, let me know kung meron kayong mga video requests. And I might see you in another video this year. Baka mag-upload pa ako. So yeah, bye!